Welcome back, my friends! Today we're gonna make a tart. This tart is one of my favorite because it's two recipes. One recipe it's called scrambled eggs with tomato. It's a Greek typical recipe. The other recipe it's quiche Lorraine. So we get married these two recipes and we have this amazing result that you will see in a few minutes. Let's start together. First step, we take our asparagus. We boil it for 2 minutes in a hot water and we cut it in small pieces. I will put some flour. I will mix it. I will turn on the fire, some olive oil, and we just a little bit sauteed our asparagus. As are we waiting for our asparagus, let's take part number 2. It's the tomato sauce. Just dried onion, basil, our eggs, 2 kinds of cheese, regato and parmesan, and it's ready. The smell of the fresh basil, it's dreaming. Our asparagus is ready. We turn off the fire. We put the eggs on the tomato sauce. The cheese. Our sauce is ready. Let's make the tart. We take this pan, take this pastry tart and we put it on it. We cut these pieces, we don't need it. We fill this tart with a tomato. On the top, we put the asparagus. Some parmesan and we take it in the oven. It looks so delicious.